अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। इब्न माजा हदीस नंबर 3287। Eat together and don't separate, for blessing is with the group. There was a time when families sat together before eating, not just to fill their stomach, but to fill their hearts. Conversations were real, laughters were sincere. People looked into each other's eyes, not into screens. But today, many homes are strangely silent. Everyone sits together physically, yet emotionally worlds apart. One person is crawling, another rushing, another eating alone in the room. And slowly, without realizing it, something beautiful disappeared from our lives. Barakat. Then the Prophet ﷺ gave a simple teaching that carries incredible wisdom. Eat together and don't separate, for blessing is with the group. Not just food, blessing, barakat, something modern life is desperately starving for. Today people have more food than ever before, yet somehow less satisfaction, less gratitude, less connection. Because Islam teaches us something powerful. Barakat is greater than the abundance. A table full of expensive food means nothing without peace, without gratitude, without love, without Allah's blessing. And sometimes a simple meal shared with sincere hearts contains more blessing, happiness than luxury ever could. Notice what is happening in the world today. People are becoming increasingly isolated, eating alone, living alone emotionally, even inside families, technology, connected devices, but disconnected hearts. And Shaitan loves isolation because isolated hearts becomes weaker, lonelier, more anxious, more disconnected from mercy and love. But Islam constantly brings people together, prayer together, Jummah together, Eid together, and even eating together. Because unity creates warmth in the soul. Think deeply for a moment. Some of your most precious memories probably happened around a table, family gatherings, Ramzan iftars, tea with parents, laughter with siblings, simple meals with people you love. Years later, people often forget what food was shared, but they never forgot how the moment felt. That is barakat, the emotional nourishment Allah places in togetherness. The Prophet ﷺ did not teach worship rituals. He taught human connections, mercy, family, love, community. And this hadith is deeper than food. It teaches believers not to become emotionally distant from each other, to sit together, talk together, share together, care for one another. Because hearts slowly heal in sincere company. Today, many families live under one roof, yet barely know each other emotionally. Parents exhausted, children distracted, everyone busy, everyone is scrolling, and little by little, real connection disappears. Some homes have luxury but no warmth, food but no barakat, conversation but no sincerity. And perhaps one reason is because people stop truly gathering together. You cannot buy barakat with money. Some families have little food, yet everyone feels satisfied, peaceful, connected, while others have endless luxury, yet their homes feel emotionally full. Because barakat is from Allah, and one way Allah places it in homes is through togetherness. Even, even science today speaks about how shared meals strengthen emotional bonds. But Islam taught this centuries ago. There is something powerful about gathering around food. Walls slowly break down, people open up, children feel seen, parents feel respected, appreciated, and hearts reconnect naturally. Simple moments become healing moments. Sometimes someone is silently struggling emotionally, and one sincere family means becomes comfort for their heart. Never underestimate a small act of togetherness. This hadith also teaches something bigger. The Muslim Ummah was never meant to live divided emotionally. Believers are brothers and sisters, connected through faith. And one of Shaitan's goal is division. Division in homes, division in communities, division in heart. But Islam constantly called believers back toward unity, mercy, compassion, shared humanity. Because where sincerity, unity exists, Allah places blessing. Not everyone needs complicated solution. Sometimes exhausted hearts simply need presence, a sincere conversation, a shared meal, a loving family moment, a feeling of belonging. Many people today are not starving for food. They are starving for connection, starving to feel valued, seen, loved, and perhaps this hadith is reminding humanity of something deeply forgotten. People need each other. Dear brothers and sisters, one day there will be empty chairs at our tables. People we love today will not always remain beside us. Parents grow old, children grown up, life moves quickly. So don't wait for someday to reconnect, sit together, eat together, talk together. Put the phone away for some time. Look into each other's eyes again, because perhaps the greatest blessing in your home is not the food on the table, but the people sitting around it. And remember the beautiful words of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam: eat together and don't separate, for blessing is with the group. If this reminder touch your heart, share it with someone you love, and maybe tonight sit together with your family for one sincere meal. No distraction, just gratitude, just presence, just barakat. May Allah place love, mercy, and blessing in our homes and hearts. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.